Hello, and welcome to the t-shirt design Adobe Photoshop tutorial. All right, this is for Adobe Photoshop CC. And my name is Gary Ejene, founder of t-shirthelpdesk.com, and I am going to be teaching you guys Photoshop. Okay, but not only am I going to be teaching you how to use this fantastic program, I am going to be teaching you specifically how to use it in regards to t-shirt design. Now, does that mean you're not going to be able to, play and manipulate photos and put them on Instagram or social media and, put Michael Jordan's crying face on somebody? Of course. But I'm also going to give you and teach you some fundamentals of t-shirt design and how you can use this phenomenal program to make some fantastic designs, all right, and hopefully make you guys some money, okay? Now, I want to put this out, okay? This is a disclaimer, all right? This is a very robust program. I mean, it is an industry standard. It has been around for literally decades, all right? Everyone teaches different, and everyone has different ways to reach a goal. Okay, there's an old saying, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Now, we're not talking about skinning cats, and hopefully you're not trying to skin cats, but I'm just telling you that if I teach you how to do something one way, there may be 1, 2, 5, even 70 different ways to achieve that result. Okay, this program is so robust that there's just so many different ways to do things. I'm going to teach you my way. And the great thing about it is that once you learn and you get into this program yourself, you're going to be your own maestro. You're going to be your own Picasso, and you're going to learn how to do things your way. I'm just trying to get your foot in the door and teach you the fundamentals that I know that I've learned. Okay, so that's the disclaimer. All right, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Let's go. First of all, once again, let me introduce myself. All right. My name is Gary Ejene. I am the founder of t-shirthelpdesk.com, and I will be your pilot for this awesome flight into the world, into Photoshop land. Okay. I am also a 20 plus year graphic designer and apparel designer in the fashion industry. All right. So I didn't just, walk in here from the cotton fields, guys. I know what I'm doing. And just to let you know, I have tons of experience, a little bit too numerous to mention. So I'm just going to show you a few of the companies that I've worked for. And now there's a chance that you have, put some of these companies' clothing on your back. And there's a chance that you have actually wore clothing that I actually created. You never know. Now, guys, on to Photoshop. Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator are really, when it comes to graphic design, the industry standards. Okay, they are the powerhouse of the industry. Now, there are tons of other graphic design or desktop design programs and apps out here, but hey guys, why not rock with the best? If you're going to drive a car, why not drive a Ferrari or a Mercedes or a Rolls Royce? And this program, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, which is what we're talking about, they are the Rolls Royces of the graphic design industry. Okay, guys, now I'm going to talk about some requirements for this course. All right, there aren't many, but here goes. Number one, you are going to need Adobe Photoshop. Okay, I've heard people come to me and say, hey man, can I use these tutorials if I have GIMP or if I have Corel or something else? No, this is a Photoshop course. You're going to need Photoshop. You can go to adobe.com and you can get yourself a free trial of Photoshop, all right, just to learn this. So you're going to need Photoshop. Now, you're going to need that on what? A computer. Now, of course, that's kind of obvious, but hey, you never know. But the whole thing that I hear a lot is that Mac or PC, oh, I can only do this on a Mac. Okay, that is one of the biggest lies, hoax, and fallacies there is. What you need is a computer that takes Adobe Photoshop, all right, and that's either Mac or PC. They both take Photoshop. They both work virtually identical. Okay, the only difference is on a PC. With some of the commands I'm going to be telling you, you're going to be using the control key. Okay, the control key, very famous, Control Alt C, or, Control Copy, Control V, paste. All of those are, classic on a PC. On a Mac, you're going to be using the command button. Okay, the command button. All right. Now, that is virtually the only difference between these programs. All right. There is no other difference. And that's it. So whether you have a Mac or a PC, you can make some fantastic designs. Another thing that is a plus, not a must, is a drawing pad or a graphic tablet. All right, there are a few companies that make them. I'm going to show you a few, and these are pretty much they're like a pad and a pen, and what you do is you write on it, and it's pretty much the same as drawing on a pad, and you'll see what you're drawing on the computer screen. And what it does is it gives you really, really nice control over what you're drawing. It's really, just like drawing on an actual pad. You're drawing on your computer. All right. Now, this is a plus, ladies and gentlemen, not a must. All right. But it does make your life a lot better when you're really getting to those, intricate designs and details. If you guys are actually, you do a lot of drawing and you're actually, a visual artist, and you actually get in there with a pen and pad, this is a great way to just cut out the middleman of having to draw and then scan and all that stuff. You can draw right with your graphic tablet, and boom, it go right on the screen, and there you go. And also, T-Shirt Help Desk, we are coming out with our own version of a graphic pad very, very soon, and we'll keep you guys posted on when that is released. And that is the introduction. All right, there's a couple of things that I want to talk to you about before we really get into the nuts and bolts of this course, and that is going to be in the next video. So I will see you on the other side. Peace and blessings.